Hello everybody, welcome to MS Plus Size India. Today we will talk about Instagram star and social media personality. Jaanvi Hatte. Jaanvi was born in India, city Nasik. She is a fashion blogger and curvy dancing queen. She is one of the cutest plus size and curvy fashion model who is born in India. Jaanvi has thick, curvy, bold and attractive figure. She is a dancing queen. Body Positivity Influencer 2020. She is one of the very well-known plus-size model and social media influencer. She is very popular on social media. She has official account on social media. She has 197,000 followers on Instagram. She done many photo shoots from many different fashion brands. If you like this video, then like, share and comments. For more updates, subscribe our channel.